take these off. Let's see, let's send. Ah! What the heck was that? Probably just something crazy. Yeah, just my sight. Alright. Alright, so anyways, let's look on what I have to do, because hold on, I have to do something. What the heck? What's that? Ah! Hello? Hello? Phone. Hello, there's someone in my house.